Hi again. I'm doing another get ready with me. I'm going on a date at CouCou. I will pop it right here. And it's super pretty, super fancy. Apparently Anna Delvey's favorite restaurant in New York. So we're gonna go full glam today. I'm gonna attempt the mob wife makeup. So let's see how this goes. Again, I've already done my skincare. If you want to see my skincare, go to my everyday makeup tutorial. I will link that below. Otherwise, let's get into it. Concealer first. I have a bit of eyelid tape going on here. I'm gonna take it off before I do my eye makeup, but it's just to fix my lids because my eyes were a little swollen and red this morning. Full beat, so we're gonna use a good amount. Is it gonna be a lot? Not really. I don't usually even use too much foundation, as you know. Here. Now blush, let's just use the Rouge Dior lipstick for a bit of blush. My nose down here. Cheek. Better look snatched. I better not look like a clown. Okay. And then maybe a little bit more contour here. Now let's go in with highlight. Okay, base makeup is done. Now time for eye makeup. Brush it out. Time to prime my eyelids. I think the Mob Wife makeup is fairly cool tone, so I'm gonna use the Anastasia Soft Glam. But these are pretty warm tone shades. I'll do my best. First, let's go in with this shade, so my eyes can be a canvas. I brightened up my eyelid, so whatever goes on after is gonna come off more pigment. And then I can use Rustic. Oh, no, I screwed up already. Okay, let's use Rustic on the outside. Do the same on the other side. Take a smaller brush, and we're gonna do the inside, like here. Same on the other side. And don't go anywhere in the middle, because we're gonna leave that bright. Okay, same shade. We're gonna go under. I'm thinking here. I don't think I should be using any shimmers for this look. Just brighten the inside a little bit more. I'm gonna take a little bit of the dark brown shade. I'm just gonna put this in the corner like that. Now let's draw a little bit of an aegyo. And now we're just gonna draw a wing. And I messed up on my eyeliner, but that's okay because we're gonna just fix it, I guess. One part of the eyeliner is done. We're gonna go in with a pencil liner and smudge this a little bit. Put some down here. I'm actually pretty afraid of doing dark eyeliner like this. I don't know, it might not even look good, but we'll see. Smudging it out right now. I think I need a little more up top. Smudge it. That's fine. Let's curl my lashes. And we're gonna go in with falsies today. We're gonna use the Kiss lash glue. When people rave about this lash glue, there's a good reason for it. I wore fake lashes on a roller coaster and I used the Kiss lash glue. Lashes stayed on. Lashes are on. Now mascara. Now we're going in with this YSL lipstick. It's in the shade N15. Okay, this is the finished makeup look.